In this video, I'm gonna show you how you produce an inspirational image with text lead generation content piece that's gonna connect you with your audience and get them to comment down below. I'm also gonna show you how to post an engagement poll on your story that drives DM conversations for you. This video is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can sign up down below completely for free. You also become part of our Facebook group community where you get content creation feedback. And through the 7-day content creation challenge, you're gonna learn the weekly ideal lead generation content schedule for your online coaching practice. Make sure to sign up for it right now or at the end of this video so you can go through the complete 7 days of content creation and you can become part of our community mastermind as well. Let's get started now with today's content creation example. Today we are going to produce 2 content pieces, not just one. The first one is gonna be inspirational content piece, which is gonna be image with the text, and the second one that we're gonna produce is gonna be an engagement content piece, a poll that we're gonna post on our story. Let's begin now with the first content piece that we're gonna create at first. We're gonna create a content piece on this topic that you see in front of you. The top benefit that I am able to enjoy now when I already have the main outcome, right, that you provide to your clients. And then we're gonna ask people what is that is driving them forward to having this outcome as well. This is gonna make sense to you now when I introduce you to a template that I have prepared for you, right? Basically, we're gonna tell them what's the benefit that you are enjoying yourself right now because you already have that outcome that they desire, right? And then we're gonna ask them what drives them to have this outcome as well. So I'm gonna give you an example right now. The format through which we're gonna get this topic to life is gonna be a personal lifestyle image with text. And we're gonna publish this on Instagram feed, and maybe you can do it on Facebook profile or LinkedIn profile as well. Or you can even send it out to your email list if you have one. So here is how the process of production of this content piece is gonna go. Create a selfie of yourself or a lifestyle image of you doing something related to your niche. I am gonna show you a video clip of how I did that. Now we need one nice lifestyle portrait photo, and I'm gonna take this photo right now. We're gonna have one photo here, me walking, and we're gonna see what happens. Then you're gonna write a content piece following this format. Now this is a 4-step format framework through which you create most of the content pieces on social media. You're gonna begin with the introduction, and I created this template for you in a simple way so you can actually just swap these kind of elements that are in the bracket. So it's very easy for you to produce this content piece. And I'm gonna give you my example of how I did it as well down below. For example, the biggest benefit of me achieving a major outcome is, right, for example, if we're gonna have a weight loss example, the biggest benefit of me losing the weight, or that I have lost weight till now, right, is that I am able to be healthy, that I have a lot of energy, that whatever. You need to explain the benefit in this next sentence, right? I'm gonna give you my example down below. So share that outcome, that benefit, right, if people would lose weight. I dealt with overweight, that kind of problem, for a long time, but I am glad that I discovered the solution. So here comes in your solution that you're gonna fit in, right? The solution could be now that you exercise consistently and that you eat healthy, and you need to write that in here right now. If I wouldn't find my way or this solution, I would never be able to enjoy the benefit of being empowered, healthy, attractive now. It feels good and it means a lot to me. What is your biggest motivation to achieving the major outcome, right, of losing weight, for example? Comment down below and let me know. So you can see that these are kind of my words. I need you to become playful and adjust these sentences so they sound like you, but just use my format. I did this for myself down below. That is Primoz's example, and I did this in a minute or two. It was easy for me to just insert my stuff, and I'm gonna show you my example. The biggest benefit of me becoming an online coach is Being able to work on my own schedule, work from home, have control over my own time and my lifestyle and stuff like that, and that I'm able to interact with fabulous, amazing clients, people who are motivated to achieve the results and become online coaches as well. So you see how I put my benefit that I provide people right with out here as part of this share the benefit template, right? So I'm actually following this same script here. It took me a long time to discover my true life purpose and learn the online coaching business growth fundamentals. But I am glad that I worked hard. I spent numerous of hours studying at home while others were enjoying their social life together, right? And I was spent time working on improving my online coaching program, learning the fundamentals, You can read this, right? And so on. If I wouldn't do everything possible to find my way, I would never be able to become or be a full-time online coach now and help others to become online coaches as well. It feels good, it's rewarding, and it means a lot. What is your biggest motivation to becoming an online coach or being one? Comment and let me know. See call to action. So that was my example of how I wrote my content piece myself, and now I'm gonna show you how to publish this on Instagram and the final picture of the content piece. And so now I'm gonna go get my text, and this is the text now for this post, and we're gonna simply go now to Instagram, right? We're gonna go post this image now. It's this one. We're gonna just edit it a little bit, right? Some contrast, give it a little bit of a brightness. We go next. And put the caption down. And that's it. And then we will simply put this kind of sign for them to comment down below, okay? So, I mean, I didn't really triple check the text because it's all good, but I'm gonna publish this right now. And we publish this. And now, today is a little more work to do. We're gonna create another simpler content piece, which is gonna be an engagement content piece, a poll that we're gonna post on our stories. Here is the topic that we're gonna create this content piece on. Which do you prefer, to exercise outdoor, home, at home, or in gym, right? So if that's fitness, weight loss, or whatsoever. And the format of this content piece is a poll in where people can vote which do they prefer. And those people who are gonna vote, right, they're gonna kind of land in your DMs, because I wrote to you a small mini script through which you can message them there after they voted, and that creates a DM conversation with you and them. So here is the production process to go through. Take a certain picture of yourself, create a boomerang video, or find a neutral image and put it for the story background, right? Now in the editing mode, we're gonna find the poll sticker and recreate the top statement and match it to our niche and insert all of the details, right? So if you are a mindset coach, you're gonna give people three options, right? Which do they prefer? Reading books, watching videos, courses, or listening to podcasts, right? Something like that. You gotta be creative. I give you my example down there as well, right? And then you're gonna post this on stories. I'm gonna show you how I do this in the video screen share recording as well. Follow up each of the people's responses with this DM text message. Hey John or Natalie, I noticed you voted for B option on my poll. What makes you say that, or something like that, right? You need to be a little creative and adjust this text later on. You're gonna send this out to everyone who engaged or commented on your poll, so you can create those kind of conversations from this content piece. This is my example now with an image. And I have a question. Which of these do you as an online coach prefer to work from? Working from home, travel, right? Work from hotel, Airbnb and so on, or having an office? Vote for yours and I'll reveal mine to you, right? So you see, that was my example. And basically I would just find an image that I took, me sitting here at home probably. Just use this one, yeah? Put this on stories. And what you do now is we go and create a poll sticker, and we simply say Where do you as an online coach the most love to work from? And then we say from home, travel, hotel, B, or from the office. We make that one a bit bigger, and then we will publish this. And then at the bottom we're gonna also put a text: vote for yours, and I am going to reveal my faith. We'll swap this. We'll put this one here, that one like that, and this one at the bottom. Like that. I publish these two stories. There you go, that's how you do this. Hopefully you enjoyed this example of how to produce a value-driven lead generation content piece that I shared with you today. This video excerpt is part of our 7-day content creation challenge that you can attend for free, where I teach you how to follow an ideal weekly content creation lead generation schedule that's gonna attract potential clients out of your audience and generate leads and generate conversations for you as an online coach. If you would like to go through the complete 7-day content creation challenge and receive the daily content piece creation frameworks, make sure to sign up for it at 7daychallenge.primozlazar.com, and you're gonna become part of our Facebook group community as well, where you can post your content pieces and we can provide you with free feedback on your content creation. Do that right now, and I cannot wait to see you becoming productive and consistent with your content creation, and more importantly, getting feedback from your audience and getting that response that you need so these people can book calls with you and enroll with you as your clients. Make sure to sign up for the challenge so you can learn how it all works and you can get started for free right now.